Okay, Warrior, he's getting ready to bring his Jeep Gladiator 2020 through this little stream of water. I don't know, somewhere around a foot deep or so. We're gonna pull this off.
Today, YouTube?
Yeah, what are you doing today, YouTube? Yeah.
We're gonna do a creek crossing here.
Yep.
A test.
Yeah.
For this huge creek. We tell you, believe me, it's huge. Okay.
Yeah, it's huge.
There's at least a foot of water that's rapidly moving there.
Yeah.
There's some nice gravel in the creek bed, and then some muddy surface when you come back up out of it. But we're just gonna creep through it in a two-wheel drive mode and see how our stock Gladiator Sport does. On this fine day.
Yeah, right. And all in all, we're going to wash the tires off a little bit also. They're a little muddy. Okay, Warrior, let's pull this off. Yeah, it needs a bath. Oh, well, I think that's more than a foot of water. Oh, yeah. There we go. Quite impressive. Yeah.